Welcome back. Let's just get some more details from the Just Dial management. Remember, they announced that they are ready to buy back shares up to a price of 1550, and they will use 25% of their free reserves for this. Ramkumar Krishnamachari, the CFO of Just Dial, is just joining us. Ramkumar, how much is the total amount of money that you have put aside for this buyback?
It's roughly around 170 crores.
Okay. And is there any time period up to by which you will exhaust this 170 crore?
Well, it will all depend on now the next steps. We have to get shareholder approval, and post that the tender process. Normally it takes maybe 3-4 months for the process to get completed.
Okay. There will be a tender process.
Yep.
Okay, you're not buying from the market.
No, it's a tender process.
All right. Okay. How much, therefore, will it mean in terms of number of shares? Can you give us an idea?
Roughly it will be about 1.2 million shares.
Okay.
What is the total cash on your books at this point?
Roughly around 850 crores. If you will take the market value, it may even touch around 885-900 crores.
Okay. What is the reason for this buyback that you have announced? Sometime back you were planning to raise money. Now you are planning to give back money. What's the thought process?
Yeah, so earlier, if you really look at it, 6 months back when we came out with the enabling resolution, perhaps we came ahead of time. We thought that, good to have an option, given the way the entire space was playing out and the amount of capital which was going. But then we realized that the valuations levels are so stretched, there's no point doing any, a bolt-on acquisition at this point of time. And then came the question of what do you do with the cash? We are having cash, and every year we are generating roughly about 200 crore of cash. What do you do with it? And we felt as a board that it's the most optimal use between a high dividend and the buyback is buyback at this point of time.
So now you have scrapped your plans to raise money. You had, I think, about 1,000 crores of fundraising that you were looking at.
At least this put to rest the capital raising at this point of time. At least for the next 6 months we can't statutorily raise capital, and we don't have intention of doing that.
Okay. All right, we'll leave it at that, Ramkumar. Thank you very much. Sorry,
just one more question before we let you go. Is this a fixed price buyback?
Yeah, tender, normally that's the process is that you price it, give the price at which you will be buying back. Yeah.
Okay, but you said up to 1550, so each one gets the price that they tender in, is it?
Absolutely.
All right. Okay, I guess investors will have to try their luck. Thank you very much, Ramkumar, for joining us with those details. Okay, so it is a process whereby they are determined to put 170 crores back to shareholders, and one has to try their luck about what is the price to bid. With that, let's welcome our market master of the morning, Jitendra Sriram, Managing Director and Head of Research at HSBC.